legal representation to Dele Farotimi, Ralph Woke. Ralph, thank you for joining us. It's been a very, very crazy day for you and your staff. I guess I should just ride off the package by my colleague Igbalani. Have you had your devices returned, and has his current location been confirmed?
Well, thank you very much for having me. The devices have not been returned, but we've been able to confirm his current location. We have reliable information, and presently with the Kitty State Command, the Kitty State Police Command. We can confirm that right now.
So has there been any further development since you last spoke to News Central?
Yes. So we have information that presently is with the Kitty State Police Command. That's the only development that we have, that we know at the moment, that has been taken to Kitty State. We're trying to get further information. I'm sure by tomorrow morning we'll have clarity as to what is happening. But at the moment, he's being detained at the Kitty State Police Command.
Okay, you stated earlier that fundamental human rights case is already in court. When is it slated for hearing? And is Mr. Farotimi going to be held until then?
Well, I cannot speak for the police. But what I can tell you is if the allegation is the foundation, then ordinarily that's bearable. So we expect that we should be granted bail by the police, which is the right thing that we should do. They should grant an administrative bail or charge him to court, and then the court will grant him bail. So I'm sure that tomorrow we'll have some clarity as to what is going on. Yes, we have filed a fundamental right application, like I said in my interview. We don't have a date at the moment. I'm sure that tomorrow we're actually pushing for it. It's an urgent matter. We expect that tomorrow or the day after we should be able to have a date so that we can go before the court. But at the same time, we don't know what is going to happen in the Kitty State. We don't know if we're charging into court. We don't even have details of the allegations yet. All we've had is just from sources. I expect that by tomorrow there should be a lot more clarity as to what is happening.
All the information you have at the moment, what likely scenarios are you expecting to play out come tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow, first of all, we need to even understand why was he arrested, right? We need to understand that because we've seen all the reports saying defamation and all that, and I'm wondering, if you're arresting someone for defamation, would you come with such force? You're not arresting a terrorist. You're coming in and assaulting people and taking devices away and all that. So we're just wondering, what is this really all about? So we are not very sure as to what is happening at the moment. But we wait. When we have further information tomorrow, it will be easier to know how this will play out and what is going to happen. It's very difficult to speak to the situation now. We are in a very fluid situation. The whole thing is very uncertain at the moment. But I'm sure that by tomorrow we'll have a lot more.
All right, quickly, before I let you go, I know... Yeah, before I let you go, I know that the situation is fluid and we will be following up as to whatever comes up on this matter. But as a lawyer, I'm not talking now as a legal representation for Dele Farotimi. As a lawyer, what does the law says about defamation in Nigeria? Does the law allow for detention? What are the, and if it does, what is the time frame that somebody can be held for defamation until it is proven that this is actually the case?
Okay, so this question was asked earlier on when I had it. It was asked in another way. And I said very clearly that I wouldn't want to comment directly on this issue for a lot of reasons. I do have my opinion on these things. Or, the question is that, do I even believe that defamation should be an offense? So there are lots of things to do. So I wouldn't want to comment on whether they have the power to arrest, whether the duration of punishment and all that. We're in court. And some of these questions are some of the questions that we put before the court to determine, right? Whatever laws we have, be it the criminal code or whatever, is subject to the Constitution. And the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria guarantees the right to freedom of expression, freedom of speech, and those rights should be protected. So I would, forgive me, I want to decline from addressing directly if how long the police should hold you, because the question is that, is there even a power to arrest or not to arrest? We want to leave all this to the court.
All right, I guess we should...
for the court, and we want to leave it that way.
All right, Ralph, thank you for speaking with us, and I'm sure we'll be coming back to you again tomorrow.
Thank you very much.